Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I want to show you how to change the language settings in office.com. So let's say you log into Office and you see that it's being displayed in a different language. Or if I go to, let me just try to go to Outlook. You can see that my Outlook is actually in Dutch and my display language in Firefox is actually in English. So how do I change this language to English and also change this as well to English? So what I need to do first of all is here, if I go to settings here, you see it has the option called language and time zone. So if I click change your language, so what is going to happen is this. So it's not going to change the language of this Outlook. Actually, it's going to change the language of my Windows display settings. So you can see here I have an icon which is showing me my Windows desktop, my kind of a Windows computer. So if I click display language and change language, it's going to actually change my language to the language I choose. But if I want to change my Outlook to a different language entirely, what I need to do is, so I need to go to here in, and I just click on settings. So here in settings, you can see that this is actually in Dutch, so it's telling me that it's called Instellingen. Click in settings, and here we have the click the Outlook settings, and here we have the general, in Dutch is called the Algemeen. So click it, and here we have the time, the date, the time, the language and time. So here you can see that the language is right now in Dutch in the Netherlands. So what I can do is just to click on this and actually just scroll down and look for the English language, or just scroll up and look for the English language. Here you can see we have the English different languages. So I'm going to choose English United States and then click save. In Dutch is called Opslaan. So click save. And when I save it, you can see that automatically everything changes to English here. So you can see you must refresh the page for the folder names to be updated to your selected language. So just close this and click refresh. You can see that some of here it says new message, which is in English, and here most of them are still in Dutch language. So you need to refresh the language to actually see everything in English. You can see now everything has been changed to English. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video, and also give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.